These are basically molecular visualizing software. There are different types of software are there, and one important type of software is known by the name RASMOL. And you may be getting this question also in your practical examination also. Sometimes they will ask you give an account or write a short note on RASMOL. So we have to understand what is a RASMOL. We will be doing this practical in our practical classes also. Basically, it is a computer program for molecular graphics visualization. For example, I will do this. For example, you will be able to visualize RASMOL like this, and I will show you how this RASMOL will be working. And in order to do this RASMOL, we will be first going to the NCBI GenBank. In the NCBI GenBank, what we are going to do is that we have to get a protein sequence. For example, we must first get a, for example, we need the protein sequence of insulin. Okay, we are going to the GenBank, and by typing insulin is a protein present in our body. So we will be getting the protein sequence of the insulin. Okay, now we have to know what is the shape of this particular molecule. So this is the protein sequence of the insulin. Now, and in order to understand the particular sequence, the shape of the sequence here, sequence, we need a program known as a RASMOL. And RASMOL is a very small program, and we will be downloading that RASMOL. Then after downloading this RASMOL, here it comes to the downloader page, and we will be downloading this RASMOL like this. It's a small program, and we will be installing this RASMOL. Okay. So after the installation, when we can open this this particular FASTA sequence. Okay, here you can see that I am just going to open this here. Okay, so now here you can see that you will be able to get a RASMOL file here. Let me open the RASMOL here. Yeah, okay, it will be coming in your system as RASWIN. Okay, okay, so this is the RASWIN site. I don't think it is possible to show the, okay. So in the case of RASWIN, this is the RASWIN site, and what I am going to do is that we have a FASTA sequence here, and we have to okay. We have to open the complementary file. For example, yeah. So there was a mistake in that. I have to find the protein data bank. Okay. So this is the protein data bank. There you have to go to the protein data bank, and from the protein data bank you need to download a particular type of file. That file is known by the name PDB. Okay. Let's try. Okay, so here we have downloaded one file. Okay, and what I am going to do is that I will be opening this particular file in this RASMOL. Okay, here you can see this is the file. Okay, I am opening it. So now you can see the structure of insulin molecule here. Okay, can you see here? So this is how we are actually okay. Here you can see that, and now I can change the color of this. The different options are there. See, then I can also modify it like this. Then different structural changes can be done. That is, we can find this insulin molecule in several shapes. So that is the advantage of this Rasmol. Then there is another shape called carton, and also there is a molecular surface. How the so these different options are there, and so using this program we will be able to identify what are the features. So one is that we will be able to rotate the molecule in different directions. Here also you can see that. So that is possible in the case of Rasmol. Some delay is there. Okay, so this is this is known as a molecular surface. Then backbone. Then second is that if you want, we can change the color. Then there are other options are there. If you want to measure the distance, it is possible here. You just pick the distance, and here just type between here. You can see that the measurement between two particular areas will be given. Let me try in another ribbon. See this one, I am going to measure the distance here. Pick distance. See, you can see that here the distance is mentioned. See, can you see this one? 0. Okay, this is how we will be able to ribbon. See, here you can see that this is the distance. Okay, and similarly we can also measure here. Also you can see this is the distance. We can also measure the angle. Here you can see that. So I am typing here. So here the angle will be coming. No. Let me change. So somewhere here let me try something. Here you can see that the angle came here 360. Okay, so this is how here you can see 24.36. Can you see this one? This one here you can see that this is the angle. Okay, so this way we will be able to see. Here you can see that this is the angle. Okay, and another one also I will show. This is the angle 24.36. So these are the advantages of Rasmol. We will be able to view the molecule, and we will be able to rotate the molecule. There are different types of options are there: wireframe, space wheel, ball and stick, rubber, ribbon strands, and cartons are there. So by this mechanism, by this Rasmol, we will be able to measure the bond distance, bond angle, and several other applications are also used here. So Rasmol is a very useful technique used by scientists for downloading the protein data bank file, that is known as a PDB file, and PDB file can be visualized with the help of this structure known as the Rasmol. So this is an idea regarding the protein molecular visualizing software available here.